to Instructor Live. My name is Carly and this is your 10-minute cool down video. Now this is great for after any of your workouts. We're stretching the muscles, we're preventing injury, and we're just bringing our body back down to a state of non-exercise. Okay, so let's start with our feet apart. Okay, we're just going to take a nice big circle of the head one way. That's it. All the way around, just to stretch out the neck. Release any tension in those shoulders. And once you've done one circle one way, take it the other way. All the way around, just nice and gentle. Good. Let's take some shoulders backwards. 2, 3, 4 and forwards. 1, that's it, good. Really try and relax into those knees. Good, okay, take one more back. We're going to go into what is a nice high release. So you're looking to the ceiling, arching the back slightly, bending the legs all the way down. And when you're here, make sure your bottom is nice and low to the floor. We're rolling back up again through the spine and making sure that our head is the very, very last thing to come up, okay? So let's just have a few of those. So shoulder roll back and release all the way down. Good, bend your legs. That's it, knees nice and relaxed. And rolling up through the spine, keeping a nice bend in our legs. Good, to protect our spine. One more. Beautiful, take a big breath. And relax down, good. Okay, hold it there for me. And if you can, I want you to try and straighten your legs just to have a nice little hamstring stretch. Good. Hold it there for 4 counts. 3, 2, 1. Good, bend your knees for me and just bottom down and rolling up through the spine. 1 vertebrae at a time. Your head is the last thing to come up. Good, let's turn to the side. Let's do a nice calf stretch. So your front leg is nice and bent. You've got a nice line running all the way from your heel to the top of your head, which means you might need to lean it slightly forwards. That's it. Keep that back leg nice and straight. Hold it there. Good. Okay, so from here we're just going to shuffle the foot backwards slightly. Okay, we're going into a lunge just to stretch out our hip flexor up here. If that feels comfortable, you can pop your arms up here. Okay, so go as far as what feels comfortable for you. Good, okay, plant that heel down at the back, move your toes to face forwards, keep a bend in this leg, and we're just releasing over this side to stretch out the inside thigh, okay? So keep one leg bent, one leg straight, toes pointing forwards, knees in line with toes. Good, hold it there. Excellent, okay, just coming up. Shimmy your feet in, good, let's do the other side. So, one leg straight at the back, front leg nice and bent. Good, make sure there's a nice line shooting through the top of your head and hold it there. Okay, so that's enough of that one. So let's just push this heel back slightly. Okay, here we want to still think about having nice, strong core just to protect our back so we're not arching in it, okay? So keep that nice and long. Reach the arms up high if you can. You should get a nice stretch up your hip flexor there. Good, hold it here. Good, so the more you sink down, the more you should stretch, good. Okay, place that heel down at the back. Pop your feet forwards, toes pointing in front, keeping that same leg bent, and we're just stretching the inside thigh here. So again, the further you sink, the more stretch you should get. That's it, hold it there. Okay, just coming straight in your legs for me. So kind of keep your feet where they are and just move your heels in, your toes out, okay? So we should have this nice sort of 10 to 2 time on the clock with our toes. We're bending both legs, okay? You can use your hands here to rest above your knees, okay? Try not to rest on the knees, above your knees, and we're just sitting into as far as you can go to really stretch out your inside thighs. That's it, hold it there. Good. Good. Okay, coming up again. Just bring in your feet, just give them a little bit of a shake, because I know that's quite an intense stretch. Good, okay, so let's just move on to our thighs. So, grabbing the ankle with one foot, pop your arm out. If you want to hold on to the side, do make sure your knees are absolutely together here. Good. Hold it here. Good, okay. We're going to swing this foot forwards, out in front, okay? We're bending the back leg. If you want to flex the foot for a more intense stretch. If not, you can keep it down. Again, we're making a nice straight line with our back, okay? Stretching out the hamstring, so hold it here. Good, and come up, get a shake. Lovely, okay, let's change sides. So just taking the ankle there, gluing the knees together, pop the arm out if you want to. Good, a few more counts. Good, swing it forwards. Okay, so same again, making a nice straight line with your back from your tailbone to the top of your head, okay, and relaxing over. Remember, you can pop the foot down if it's too intense. Good, okay, coming up slowly. Okay, give your legs a little bit of a shake. We're just gonna move on and do a little bit of an arm. So taking one arm across the body, you're hooking it with the other arm and you're pulling it gently in towards the body to get a nice stretch down the side of our arm here. Good. Hold it here. Good. If you pull your shoulders back in this one as well, you should feel a nice stretch around the back of your shoulders sometimes as well. So try not to let your arm go. Try and pull them back, get a more intense stretch. Good. Okay, so same arm, pop it over the head. Now, there are different ways you can do this. You can hold it there if you can feel it. You can push using this hand here. You can also take the top of your elbow to pull slightly to get a more intense stretch. Or if you can, reach behind your back and get your fingers together. That's quite a hard one, and feel free to do so. Good, hold it here. Good, relax that arm. Okay, so changing arms now, back to the original one. So arm across, hook the arm over the top and round. That's it, and just a gentle pull. Good. Good, and swinging that arm, same arm around, again, 3 different versions here, here, or here. Good. Okay, relax the arms and give it a little bit of a shake. Well done, guys. I hope that has cooled you down sufficiently. Enjoy the rest of your day.